Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to add related products to your Shopify store, and this will drive sales. So let's get in. We're going to go over to the left hand side to apps and all recommended apps, and we're going to jump into the Shopify app store. Alternatively, you can dial in apps.shopify.com into your URL bar, and over here, we are going to search related products. Now, I've already searched it. You can just type it in there, and you will be faced with quite a few different options. What we're going to do is we're going to use this one over here, frequently bought together. We're going to use this app, and it is actually specifically being built for Shopify. That's fantastic. We're going to go ahead and tap on install over here on the left hand side, and then again over on the right hand side on this page, we're going to go ahead and tap on install. Now this basically just requests permission for this integration to happen. So the next thing you need to do from here, you can see now that it's installed. We're going to go over to the left hand side, and here's your app, and you can see a few options. We're going to go to product bundling, and this will now basically allow you to group products together. Okay, so let us have a look at this one over here, and on the right hand side we can just tap on edit bundle, and inside the edit bundle we can now change a bunch of these settings. So we're going to tap on add product, and it's going to prompt you to install the feather extension, and we're going to say install extension now. This will redirect you to your Chrome web store, or if you're using a different browser, to the extensions section, and we're going to just tap on add to Chrome, and here we're going to say add extension. And within a few seconds this will now have been added. We can close this window, and here we can just go ahead and say save it. It'll open this new window. So now we're going to go ahead to the right hand side, and we're going to tap on add product, and it'll show us all of the products within our inventory. We're going to use this tripod. We're just going to select it on the left hand side. We're going to tap on add, and you can add multiple. Right, for now we're going to just go ahead and we are going to say save. There are a few other options in terms of discount, but we're going to leave this exactly the way it is. So we're going to now jump back into our previous page, and you can see that when this product is displayed, this product will be a recommended product. Now, the other thing we need to do here is just make sure that the publish bundle toggle switch has been turned on. And we can now leave this page. To the left, we can tap on online store, and we need to go ahead and just change a few settings to the interface of our store. So we're going to go over just with our theme to the right and tap on customize. So over here, you can see at the top it says homepage. We're going to click on this and tap on products. And here we're going to just tap on default product. And you're going to see some options on the left hand side. Now, just at the bottom, you'll see add block. We're going to tap on that. And here you can see it says blocks, and it also says apps. We're going to click on apps, and you'll see that feather is in fact here. We're going to click on that so that it is now in here. Okay, so once you tap on that, you can see that it is offering you this section over here. You can see that this product is the product on screen, and this is the related product. So if you go out of feather, you'll see also that there is a related product section over here. Okay, so you can go ahead and you can actually move this above your product. You can move it below your product, but I'm going to keep it just the way it is right now. All right, so now we can go over to the top right hand side. We can tap on save, and we can go back over to this main page over here. And again, if you look at apps, we're going to just open the Feather app again. So from here, we're going to go back to our main page, our dashboard, and here we can just tap on view your online store over here. It's the little eyeball icon, and here we're going to go down and we're going to have a look at our little product that we have. And if you scroll down, you should see a related product section over here. All right. Now, what is added in as well is that tick and the tick on the main product. So this basically means that this product as well as this product will be added to cart. Okay, so if your customer wants to only buy that one, they'll have to unselect that secondary product. I hope this guide was helpful. We'll see you next time. Peace out.